What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo from the BTNHD, and yes, let's upgrade our SCCM together to 2006. Super easy upgrade guide today, so let's get right into it. All right, so there's a lot of SCCM 2006 new features that are being released. Most likely this upgrade is not going to show up, so you kind of need to force it, which I'm going to show you guys how to force it and get it inside your environment so you can start testing it out. Now, there's a couple of things that I do enjoy with the new features. I especially like the Microsoft 365 apps for the enterprise, and I definitely want to check out the improvements to the task sequence via CMG, and they also improve BitLocker task sequence steps. So there's a couple other things that I like. They got notifications from Microsoft, which I definitely want to check out. Improvements to managing device restarts. Okay, they also got notifications for Azure AD App Secret Key expiration. And improved support for Windows Virtual Desktop. Wow, I definitely need to check that out. All right, so first thing that we need to do is open up your favorite browser and go to this website. Now, the reason that we're going to this website is because when you hit enter, it is automatically going to download the Enable Early Update Ring for 2006.exe file. Because I'm using Internet Explorer, it wants me to save it or run it. I'm going to click on the nice little arrow and then click on Save As, and I'm going to drop it inside the Downloads folder and click on Save. Awesome. Once that's done, because I'm doing it within a virtual environment, I logged into one of my ESXi servers, and before you do anything, virtual machine or a physical machine, back up your machine, right? Before you push out this upgrade. So on my virtual machine, my SCCM virtual machine, I right-clicked on it. I went to snapshot. I took a snapshot, gave it a name, gave it a description, clicked on take snapshot, and I was good to go. I went inside my virtual machine. I downloaded the exe file. As you guys can see within my downloads folder, I'm going to right-click on it, run it as an administrator. It's going to extract all the files inside the downloads folder. So I clicked on OK. Extraction completed. Okay, good to go. That exe file, all it does is extract a PowerShell script that we need to run. So I'm going to right click on that PowerShell script and go to edit, and it's going to open up the Windows PowerShell ISC. Once it loads up, I like to open it up, and the reason why is just to make sure everything is kosher inside that PowerShell script. Take a quick look at the PowerShell script. If you don't understand anything or you feel kind of like weird about it, don't run it. If you feel comfortable with the PowerShell script, just run it. When you run it, it's going to ask for your site server. So enter your full qualified domain name of your SCCM server. Hit enter, and bam. Once all that's completed, you are going to open up your SCCM console, go inside administration. With administration, go inside updates and servicing, and it takes some time. You are going to see the configuration manager 2006 is available to download. So when you right click on it, you're going to click on download. You get a nice little information dialog box stating that still checking for updates. Press OK, let it be. It's going to start downloading. And eventually, once the downloading is completed, it's going to state ready to install. Once that says that, you are able to right click on it and you have two options. Now, if you have seen some of my SCCM videos, I like to just go straight into install update pack. The reason why is because when you do that, it's going to automatically check the prerequisites anyway. So just go for it. So I clicked on it. You get the nice little wizard. Again, if you have seen my videos, I like to check ignore. I didn't do it on this video, so I just clicked on next. These are all the features that are included with this particular update pack. I left everything as the default, clicked on next. I clicked next here, accept the license and terms, and then click on next. A nice little summary, click on next. Green check mark is always a good thing, and then close it. Now, once you close it, underneath the state column is going to state installing, which is a good thing. And then eventually it's going to change to checking prerequisites, which like I said before, it's always going to check it, right? And what you could do is select it. And once you select it, at the very bottom on the right-hand side, click on show status, and it's going to take you here. And you're going to right click on that guy, show status, and it gives you a nice little bird's view of what's going on. So far, it's downloaded. The replication is done. I'm still waiting for it to finish the check, and I'm also waiting for the installation and the post installation, right? So close all that stuff. Eventually, the state is going to change to installing, and grab a cup of coffee, go get lunch. When you come back, eventually your SCCM console is going to state a new version of the console is available, blah, blah, blah. If you click on install the console version, everything closes down. And I always get this. So basically the feature update task requires that you close the configuration manager. You closed it. You closed it yourself. So why are you giving me this problem? Now, the way that I fix this problem is basically opening up Task Manager, locating the Microsoft configuration management, and just ending the task. And eventually it's going to start downloading the files. Just got to make sure you click retry for it to start downloading the files. Once it downloads the files, it's going to start prepping to install. Then it's going to start gathering all the required information. Once everything is done, your SCCM console is automatically going to launch up with no problem. Now, to check that you're upgraded, you can click on the File menu on the upper left side, and then just go About Configuration Manager, and you're going to see that you're running version 2006, and the console version was upgraded to 5.2006.1026.1900. Ooh, that's a lot, right? And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. Do not forget about smashing that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell to get the latest and greatest from this guy. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.